Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Job Shop USA. My name is Keith. I'm your host. We're in my shop once again. Now today I have a tip for you how to level your bed. The bed I'm talking about is the bed that you either use and flip over and have to level it out again, or you take a brand new one and you install a brand new one. Now, not everybody that has a WAZER is also a machine shop, and these are probably somewhat special tools, but they're not restricted to just machinists. Anybody can purchase things or make up a fixture just like this. This is a spindle mill clamp made for Bridgeports. This is a stirrup button indicator. All right, these are the two items that I'm going to use installing this in the WAZER and leveling that bed. Come on in close and let's check out how well it works. I chose to install a new platform here, and these 4 screws right here are just finger tight. All right, so this is loose in here, but just sitting in place. All right, we're going to put our indicator on here, and I like to clamp it right on right on the column here. And I have a spacer in here because this diameter is a little bit smaller than the spindle on the Bridgeport. I used this the last time I did this, but I decided to share this with you today. All right, we do have to adjust this foot so it sits properly. Okay, we got plenty of down travel, up travel, and let me see if I can adjust this a little bit because it is nicer. The needle's somewhat up at the top here so that you can see it. Okay, I zoomed you in so you can see the clamp, how it clamps on to this position here, how it's down in here. We're just going to use the center of that square, the center of the square in each of the other 4 corners. All right, let me zoom you out here. You know, it's set it on 0. And of course, I've already could have been taking a couple sweeps around here. And I've already been adjusting it. Here's our adjusting screw for whatever we need. Let's just take a look at it. It's in the free stance there. 0 in that one. We're 0 there. We're plus 25 there. And we're about 10 here. And we come back to 0. All right, but let's go ahead. We don't have any tension here at all. And we know that we're going to want some tension. Okay, we're going to give that corner some tension. We know that that's the low, so we might as well make that the tension. All right, now we come over here and we're 50. Come down to 0. We went up almost 100. There's 0. There's 0. We're still pretty close to there. Okay, we'll come on over here to this. You got to make sure your Allen doesn't get tangled in your abrasive supply line there. Okay, there's 0. We go back. Pretty close to 0. 0. We were a little tight, brought it back up to 0. There's 5 there. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, we're happy with that bed leveling. That was pretty darn quick. I don't know how you can beat leveling out your bed than doing this setup. That's why I'm sharing this with you today. Now, it's not just the four corners here that you've zeroed out. You can take a look at anywhere in here. All right, your bed is level. Now, this is a handy little tool, and I actually think that this can be a little add-on feature for the WAZER Pro. I think having a little clamp-on button indicator to level out your bed, make it slam dunk. What do you think? All right, thanks for visiting Job Shop USA. Go vote, get her done.